Number 4 is also an inequality where we need to find our solution set. But we're starting off with a y less than 3. So my y less than 3, if you recall this acronym HOI-VUX, right? Horizontal, 0, y equals. So this is going to be a horizontal line. You can also type that into Desmos and check that out. But I'm going to have that horizontal line at 3. So 1, 2, 3 right here. It is also a dashed line, just like number 3, because I do not have a line, solid line, dashed line. And we're going to shade this below, right, less than 3. So if I'm looking at my values, these are less than my 3, so I'm going to be shading down in this area up to my line. And then our second one is in standard form, so that will need to be rearranged. So let's go ahead and do that one. I have 2x minus 5y. I need to move the 2x to the other side, so we're going to subtract that from both sides. And then I need to get rid of that coefficient of negative 5. I'm going to divide everything by negative 5. And as we looked at our number 3, when we divide by a negative, that's going to change that inequality. So I will have this y, but that's going to change from a bigger than to a less than. I have 2/5 x minus 2. Okay. So that means that I can start here at negative 2. And I have a slope of 2/5, so we're going to go up 2 and to the right 5. So up 2 and to the right 5. And that's going to be a solid line, so grab your ID, your straight edge. Now this can also be done with the intercept method, that cover up, right? We can take this 2x greater than or equal to 10, so that
Falcon. Just a reminder, if you are parked in the banned early release lot, you need to move your car, please. Again, if you are parked in the banned/early release lot,
try that again.
You need to move your vehicle at this time or it is subject to be towed. Thank you.
We can also use the cover-up method to find the x and y intercepts. If I cover up that 5y, I'm going to have 2x is bigger than or equal to 10. Dividing both sides by 2 says my x is going to be greater than or equal to 5. Right? So I should have that intercept right here at 5, and I'm going to be shading up there. Okay. Same thing would happen if I covered this one up. Negative 5y bigger than or equal to 10. Divide by negative 5. This y is going to be less than or equal to 2, right? We've got to change that because of that negative. So I've got my intercept of negative 2 right here, and I'm going to be below this. Okay. So as we did before, we're going to shade this below my less than. And where we have both colors, that's going to be my solution set. So actually, this is the majority of that solution set. Over here, it's going to cross some, but all that we're seeing right here is a solution set. Okay, so as we go through this and try to find each one of our points. So -4, 2, 3, 4, and +3, 1, 2, 3. That is not in both shaded regions. -2 and 0, that is not in our shaded region. 0 and -2, that is in the shaded region. Remember, that's on the solid line. That's a yes. And then 5 and then 6, which is way up here. That is no as well.